Hey, I'm Chaba, founder of Game of Conversions, and welcome to the first day of the Corona Proof Your Business 28-day challenge. And in this first video, I wanted to talk about conversion copywriting. Not just any type of copywriting, but conversion copywriting. Why? Because at the end of the day, the aim, the mission of copy is to get people to do something, to act. And any other type of creative copywriting or technical copywriting or SEO copywriting doesn't really cut it. You want conversion copywriting that's based on real actual data like review mining, like uncovering the pains, fears, hopes, and dreams of your audience, like analyzing the testimonials that people have given you so far. And from all that raw data, use a lot of proven copywriting techniques to come up with messaging that's most likely to resonate with the core of your audience, to make them act, to make them do something because they'll feel that you understand them. And I believe that in these times when it's more important than ever that you stay profitable, that you keep on selling, that your marketing is as effective as possible, you concentrate on this conversion copywriting because it will give you the biggest bang for your buck, basically. So what qualifies as conversion copywriting? Well, basically any type of text that you can put on landing pages, sales pages, video scripts that make people sign up for something or sell something, sales emails or email sequences that's aim is to, again, get people to click through a sales page so that hopefully they buy a course or something like that. Now, usually in e-commerce, I don't really see conversion copywriting that much because it has a different dynamic. So why do I say this? It's because conversion copywriting uses more stories, uses more vulnerability from you as a brand or as a person or regarding the creation of your product itself. And in e-commerce, a lot of people are using cookie cutter ways to sell things like flash sales or false urgency or just bombarding people with a lot of emails, with a lot of content that they buy something. So it's all about them and it's not about the audience itself. What conversion copywriting does differently is that it shifts the focus away from the product or from you, and it talks about things that are truly important to your ideal customer itself so that you hook them emotionally. Because guess what? People don't buy with logic. They don't ultimately care about your promotion or how cool your product is or something. They want a benefit of it. They want the benefit of the benefit of it. So how your product can solve their real life problems and how their life will be different. And conversion copywriting is the closest type of marketing technique that I know of that really mimics this efficiently and effectively. And one more thing that's really crucial in conversion copywriting is that you test it a lot. You run it against current controls. You include a lot of KPIs into the whole equation. You use a lot of data to estimate how well it did. So basically, it's just like the scientific process. You come up with a hypothesis, you test it, and then you evaluate it, and then you iterate it so that you can come up with a better hypothesis. And conversion copywriting is the closest thing to conversion rate optimization or to basically systematically refining a marketing message or an offer so that it eventually turns into a high converting powerhouse instead of just shooting blanks in the dark. So the main takeaway of this video is this. If you're a business owner and you need copywriters, make sure to hire someone who uses this kind of conversion copywriter or they use direct response copywriting, which is based on data. Don't just hire any SEO copywriter or creative copywriter or God forbid some type of wordsmith or ninja, because most likely they probably don't know what they're doing and they don't have a true process to writing copy. And as with any other type of thing, you cannot really expect copy to be a jackpot every single time on the first try. And that's why conversion copywriting is basically a process. It's a process that takes time, but it has a definite beginning and a definite end. And if you use it wisely in your business, either yourself or through an outside help, through a freelancer, then you will definitely see measurable improvements in the middle run and especially in the long run. However, it can also give you a lot of quick wins in the short term as well. And if you're a service provider, you're a freelancer or a copywriter or a digital marketing professional, then make sure to include elements into your own process from conversion copywriting as well, because it will give you more confidence, it will give your clients more confidence, and it will help you get better results in more cases, which is quite essential for your freelancing career. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this first video of the Corona Proof Your Business 28-day challenge. If you like this video, then feel free to like it. And also leave a comment below the video and tell me how you relate to copywriting. Tell me how it has impacted your business, because I would love to have a conversation with you. So stay safe. See you tomorrow.